Welcome to the Maintenance Masterclass podcast series. This is podcast number 4, which deals with organization, key performance indicators, and performance management. There are 12 podcasts in this series, and this one deals with how we organize ourselves to ensure that maintenance activities are carried out cost effectively. The maintenance organization has to match the resources to the workload. Every organization is unique, but the factors which influence the organization are predictable. The functions of the maintenance organization are a complex mixture of technical and human ones. There is a need to get the required work done whilst keeping the stakeholders satisfied. Maintenance staff have also to be motivated and developed in order to improve performance. The character of the maintenance work has a major influence on how we organize the maintenance department. The operational performance needed from the equipment will dictate whether staff are required in attendance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or for a shorter period of time. Lean manufacturing necessitates a much higher reliability from equipment than in the past, and this has a consequent knock-on effect on the organization. The normal mix of PESTA influences will of course apply. Finally, the degree of interaction between production and maintenance will have a fundamental effect on the organization. Maintenance organizations are a unique mix of 3 primary types, which we can think of like the 3 primary colors of red, green, and blue. The traditional organization might be represented by the red color on the left. Here, maintenance and production are run as 2 separate departments. First and second line maintenance staff are located close to the production equipment. Third line activities are centralized, and there is a limited amount of multi-skilling. The centralized organization can be represented by the green color in the middle. Here all the staff are physically located together in one place. Again, there is separation of maintenance and production and limited multi-skilling. The manufacturing cell-based organization can be represented by the blue color on the right. Here first and second line maintenance staff are embedded within the production department and multi-skilling is in place. Just as we can bring these 3 primary colors together to show the full ground maintenance team in full color, so all maintenance departments are made up of a unique blend of traditional, centralized, and cell influences. Key performance indicators provide a window so that the success or otherwise of a strategy can be judged and any necessary actions taken. There is a need for smart measures which are able to be influenced by the actions of those who are judged by them. The measures need to cover all areas in the form of a balanced scorecard, and they need to be arranged in a hierarchy. Accuracy, error, and uncertainty of measures must be assessed, together with the need to measure frequently enough to spot changes. The need to separate signals from noise and only take actions when significant changes occur is vitally important. The organizational culture and psychology will influence target setting. Target values can be used and set by techniques such as trending, benchmarking, and best of the best. The delay between cause and effect must be understood in order to ensure stability of the performance management system. Staff motivation will be a complex mix of leadership, cajoling, penalties, and rewards. Watch out for announcements for training sessions on maintenance organizations and performance management. The next podcast in this series deals with communication, involvement, and engagement. Thank you for listening.